Is your backlog a dumping ground? Everything goes in, nothing comes out, and you end up with one long list of features. There's a better way to structure things using 3 distinct backlogs: product, release, and sprint. And that makes planning feel way more doable. Each backlog has a different job. Your product backlog houses every feature worth considering. It's where you rank top ideas and requests and decide what deserves a spot on your roadmap. The release backlog is a short list of what you're committing to ship. You've sized the work, checked against team capacity, and decided what done looks like. Then the sprint backlog is just what engineering can complete in the next iteration. This is their working list, what they're building right now. The key is knowing when to move work from one backlog to the next and keeping your product backlog really fresh. Add new features, update items based on feedback, and then cut what no longer supports your strategy. Then score everything against business needs so your biggest priorities are clear. When you plan a release, pull in the top features that fit your team's capacity. Define requirements, set acceptance criteria, and make sure the team understands what you're building and why. From there, engineers can break those features down into stories and organize them into sprints. They know how much to take on and will flag anything that needs to split or shift. This turns a flat backlog into a steady flow of work, helping you make sure the most important features actually get built. How do you move work from your backlog to development? Visit aha.io for more tips and resources.